matter. Today with the appeal dates. They went to court today, you know. Today was the appeal date. They put an appeal that he wants to be released, that they're holding him unjustly, that they're holding him, blah 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 blah. You know what? Udele just shot himself. Remember today, me fair. You know, remember at the first time that I wanted to sign an agreement that is not gonna mention my daddy, my prophets, or for Chalafancho, me Chalafancha. Only gift to Yana and do you know ya would do. Only Chineke goes from the childhood, from the child, you know, from the bottom of the, from everything. Only Chineke gift ya moya no do ye branya anyo jahunde winch putanwa. You what I know Jane the witch. You know, Prophet Ebuka Obi, a man that has many visions, a man that God did a gift, a man who Udele wanted to sign an agreement that he's not going to mention Ebuka Obi that he was playing. In Miami, Showoru and the Deji came with this useless narrative with this Itino here. And no, you should not do that. That means you cannot, you know, they will hold you account, they will hold you under duress. You cannot do this, you cannot do that. So Udele refused that offer. Now, I said, okay, let's take this thing up. Let's deal with it the way it should be done. So now, Udele chana da we go match. Omana woken ibe ya na ono. Omana and then no get any Ishi kadi hona. Ebuka is not even your problem. Ebuka Obi is not even. Oh, people that love Ebuka Obi is your problem. People that love it because love for Ebuka Obi, Eputago. But I need Bechiri. With Bechiri, that's the other possible. That is a lie. In the point I am speaking a lie. That you know we no go agree. That we no go agree. So all people who know Ebuka Obi, people that love Ebuka Obi with their heart, with their bottom of their souls, from the innermost, all one Bechiri. Mande Diego, Mande Jomu, Mande Jimma, Mande Jingaji, Mande Jung. We Bechiri. Because in my Ebuka Obi the king palace. Ebuka Obi the king palace, like and we hana hunu lazy. And we hana hunde mboro, ana hunde goof, ana hundara, ana hunde billionaires, millionaires, engineers, lawyers, oya lazy. Ngongo no titi judia. So Ebuka Obi is like a palace, like lazy. I want it. You want to go? And what if Ebuka Obi nwero? So Ebuka Obi is not yana reaction but that no, this one no. I'm a new Obioma. You have a you have a good heart. But at this point, that the Obiomagi and your cholotia, because Obiomagi never be any fair. Obiomagi but I release here Matthias. You don't useless Matthias. So no, we're not gonna agree for this one. All of them mean you feel me? So oh yeah, what about that demon? I think I know this loan and this matter. Now daddy they beg. Now daddy they you are not in this matter. Leave up okpu. Let's finish the matter. Now we get this matter. Onye si go bri ye making Udele pro like now. I wish you say all. Udele, Ishi no swear one or ile chana Ebuka Obi shi no ku enwe so enwe onu. Usu ge enwe gid onu ebe no I also get enwe gid onu. I get mecha me aga mu. We am ga hu me anya mu potaya. We in fact periaya. Also get you know if you sabi what in the face. You know when I came out and told you Basala this Udele that this this confused happy bag washing as white on but you first hope one only parallel this time and I kume I know but seize your breath we will seize you breathing oh I name me the remaining people are not big very soon I got but this is the way I get you but cheerfa that's no way good no. That is stay clear. You are very loved. We love you. To an extent itself, we go. That's to tell you how much we love you. Like say, if I have the license, no be talk. Or to tell you how radical we are are radical to an extent. You know that they Muslim defend their Quran. Oh, the love I want to know. So I want you to understand this. Stay clear from us. And I like them. They need my lawyers, Marco, everybody that is around this thing. I like them. Our spirits. We are working hand in hand. We know the men no be. Now so we got the ginger. The ginger must continue. I can make it a suffocate here. Oh, we promise. It's a promise. I know all around. And when they goof, when they mind, when doctors, when engineers, when lawyers, when many people, when people like us, so they don't get the normal self. However you want us, we do. So I want all arms ready to fight with Obi and with genuity. We are not fighting for anything in return. We are not poor. We are not poor. You can't buy us with the money or less when they gas totally. But you have people that is a die hearts. Die hearts like I remember about 1, 2, 3 useless Zibia. I been asking Ogi come to the go now. When I she come to the 5 minutes, it might have somebody, one of the Facebook all this hungry match. Do I look like this person? That don't know how to do it like a pura cramo. Don't you ever in your life another the second person or that second person about she okay because she again Mama can you pay me? That's rubbish hotel before you. Can you get me? I did the genuine, I did the pure hearts. When we love you, we love you to an extent. We can carry your matter for head. I show fake love. People are not hashing. Ebuka Obi, don't fight for Ebuka Obi while you can't even stand to defend Ebuka Obi. I get you different accounts now by a war. But just that my zeal, my spirit, even I will ball, even I will go dimu. Now I will disaster. And you can't fight me alone. If fight me alone, you can't breathe. It's not possible. Oh, human has a seek alliance. You have to seek alliance to fight Ogechi. Even one person, you break your ribs. It's just the facts. Oh, human, because how made it back? It's back to Kango, and you know it. How made it back? I made Tiri. Oh, that is easy. So I just when I have a because Equechirigo and the Bahani with multiple colors. Rainbow produce multiple colors. Give me a very beautiful. Because only one color, rainbow will not be beautiful. But we are rainbows. These people now. Thank you for the star, my sister Ogechi. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate. You want to go? So, in a channel, Ebuka Obi, if it's Ebuka Obi matter today, Makachiku Udele is out. And she daddy no, daddy, he just wuro shishina mempuro. That is it. In amon empuro anyana wuro but you can daddy without empuro when they be walking, you go leave this matter for us. And I don't think because beyond your this thing, we love you. We just love you. Just relax. I mean, a man is too clean, white and whiter than snow. Just to keep on. We want you to be on save lives, now touch life. Now one day can for years. How the cannot work. I just not in the for years, not keep releasing them from all these useless people like I told you. Now I know the physical one, now I know spiritual work. You want to go? Share this video. The main story is coming. You know, it might before okay, Kuoku. He get better than wisdom, the Kuoku. Okay, I have Kuoku direct. Epo le gara okwu akwoku direct onya ha wu hejibo okia ishiare ya mma okia ole ihunu bịara njime ga gaga round until ya bịa gwu okwu jam That is how wisdom operates. So program direct. You are wasting your time. I'm a boost on your target things that will garnish the food, that will garnish what I'm about to tell you. You feel me? I will first of all garnish the food to different recipes before me oku. Oko kiase oku. All they can get oku wine. Each oku wine, you got back around. Back here. And that man is not a grown-ass old man. Okay, now I'm a chabere then. Okay, I'm a potawa. You want to go? Oh, Jima. When you those are the teacher a lot of things. If my uncle share them, but the only way brain and weed. The useless people now would dash na kuji. My no wisdom catch the Kenyan wisdom and wisdom and Ishi. That wisdom provide. You want to go? That is wisdom personified. You want to get the and I'm a panaka. It's follow come. It's when about to lambre. I went surgery no you may give me a line of those and all follow come. Oh boy. Call fake gama. Somebody should have Lulu. Hey, to go get I'm one of them no waka. Otsumuna, even an SF channel some you lose. Otumu poke batora little three. Because who cares on them? I marry. Who cares on them? Wisdom. Just take it as Runemia. Because someone I'm the stubborn. With the I not wisdom, man. People are not showing you cabang, but all that thing with him did special among gods. Kailand is here. Udele, them went and applied for release here. Iri Ji Yam against his woman rights. So today was the day Hagara court, federal courts, for them to release Udele. Imagine Judge Shimboga no case here will May 23rd. Only get that Judge. I should do 2 days or 3 days. I should have made 20. I see them sweet to me. I see the pen on her. Judge, I don't make 20. Hey, you don't get the can somebody should Udele, you go inside that place? Can somebody write it say Udele, you go man? I don't have mercy for rubbish. See, one thing about me, some idiots. They are not man enough. Majority of these people are they are not man enough to stand on their words. And see, one thing about me, you don't maneuver my stand. I will make sure I go before the someplace. I will make sure in fact, I will circumcise you. So I get parish 7 days, and been a Bible. Get one work after 7 days, get you. Yeah, some bitch I do get Patazega won't work. I know
to the Mercedes-Benz Customer Assistance Center.
Okay, mistake come to phone. I don't need you guys. What I go? Oh, na phone here will not get touch. I call for emergency. Everything. This place, this motor. So my dear, him na bagi here. I will get one work tomorrow. I'm just like America. America will get work. Any crime you go in for it. Gaga for remediation. If you don't want to go for remediation, you continue. Give me again. Every sin, on the Bible, every sin with the consequences. You cannot tell me he will want Udele. He got to Udele. Come on, Shrigam walking minute for me. Pragam watering and we're home. Bega Paliam channel. You're not man. Come on, get out. I'm okay. No one, you have one. And we don't know time rubbish. And if somebody say I'm a free thinker, you're a free useless man. You're not a free thinker. You're a hopeless man. Free thinker, very in a way. Free thinker, you are God. Very you will take some principle. You cannot be a free thinker and be foolish in yourself. Because you want to be in the middle. The Christian. I know. Nobody can trust you. No. Dibia are fake. I can never patronize anything Dibia. I stand on it until the day I permit. I have declared my stand on this social media. You have to like me for me being your Igbo sister. But you cannot like me because you cannot say, okay, I don't like you because you are a Christian. You're not proud of who you are. Man, you hate me from Tigang because Ogechi is not that person that changes. I'm not on my stand. I cannot say because that you want me to denounce my faith because man, fuck you. I'm very straight. There's nothing wrong. Maybe I'm doing something generally for Ndi Igbo, but whenever you want to jeopardize my faith, whenever you want to tap on what I believe in, what I was brought up, knowing that this is my stand, that we have every right to decide, majority women are like, majority would be majority pagan. Let that mutual respect be there, but you want to tamper on that relationship will cancel it right there. Let respect be the mutual thing, between us. You have to learn how to accommodate others. That is why America is one of the best. We are even in Mepe. If I go and really register any religion, America will respect it. That my religion forbid me to go work every Sunday. They respect it. You want to be like America, but you don't want to act like them. You want to say America don't go to church. Who fucking told you? Somebody put on name in America should ban the Bible. You a tout. I wonder who go across and listen to all these myopic touts, stack illiterates on social media. Anything you go and listen, destroy your thinking faculty. And you gave it up and wash one. Okay, chicken. Mama. I want you to stand here. When you like, I master. You want man, I guess that you want to change what I know that is right, so I can be able to be listening like you. You want and you know they work. It can never work. I want you walk through no work and so. I'm just like a bishop or Zubro. I'm just as far as I'm not in Nigeria, that somebody must go there to represent me. No matter what, when you become a doctor, that God does not exist anymore. You're a foolish man. Do you think they have no? All the guys in the scientists, that God exists. You don't believe that anyone is a supernatural being, not somewhere, because I respect Okala. Actually, it's easy for Oga, very narrow for any way Iban aleze liwe. But Ogarano who can believe that Gene can exist. There is God, that is Jesus. When Ogaran Uprio come out cap for him, or water, yeah. Gabia Urobin. She's the name of nature. Got it to your roots. Which roots? But root took a root to no panuru no one. But good root to no Toregachi. When I'm a Toregachi root to a modern twins. I will one useless bastard. I'm going to comment here somewhere. I don't even watch one useless idiot to confuse everyone. I will not even stand to listen to this woman. One idiot to choosing. Metabapata, number 9, a butcher's in Ishi, one no here. One confuse idiot to know. Bagitana Pona, but as an airways the one, and I never see him mini. I wouldn't think at the prono. I can't stand listening to her, but you used to listen. I don't even know, you don't even exist. You don't cap for any reason. You won't hear and I listen to him when I go with the same vibe. When I go with the same vibe or with the same faith. And when I get you come when I get one, you won't hear. You are just even a mental problem. You need medication. Medication can come your brain down. You are fucked up. And it is some sanity, it is some narcotic. Come to relax your brain. Keep it no one with a different part of the world. You were majority of you guys are psych patients. That's who you guys are. I need a 3 here every day. We know our condition. So it's normal. I can't even stand watching. Look at I know how suffer by how choosing. The child choosing a favor honya. Yeah, that potana because everyone is the cheapest thing. You get deceived. Don't soon take on. Come on, get the fuck, come on, F out, man. You don't know. So, Dela, you have a long way to go. You will remember. Even very soon I got transferred to another state. But on my transfer, I can but to mark it, neighbor and I get move to another place. I got to get a jungle over. I'm not gonna hear them begging. If I hear them begging, Imam malaria, Imam typhoid, Imam put HIV. Imam put staphylococcus. Imam keep put I can clinical trial. I cannot go to clinical trial and I talk back again to get what the bear. I got you must go around the whole states. We go stretch. I got Pionam. Go and match these dates. Get up that state. I get making cha. Next, I don't want to go. All of you that I should give me by chance. You get pattern on them, man. Oh, no, Nina. Oh, no, that stay your lane. Deserve stay your lane. Day your day. Deserve day your day. Mind your business. Leave people matter alone. Can't to give a like long. Onye matoka yana haba. Gina yano de. Munyo laka gina yana halu Maku pumbu. Maka broken bones. You want to go? So Dela, I want a child gift from state to state. And I'm at the by now. Orube. I got no next year December. You should always go and I put a moon about the other day. With the line coming out anytime soon. With the line is not coming out. I put an issue the la. Give me Anna. I'm going to imagine a picture. I'll give you the la. Now how many days? 40 days. Whoever the enemy again myself. I question about go Bunya, I get Pataga this year useless. I question him. All of you. I question him moon. On a Potazio Gazi on the streets near Piki. I'm just being honest. I question him people like you because I question control with the medication. And I went to talk, I went to eat. Each one each big and no. I one place. Gagari me Maya. And you might go Gagari Mahado. That's how you ended up your life. That is it. When you're talking Buru, man, that messed up. You man Jamaica enjoy and you're AC. Lenum that. They went to a picture now. Let me remove one useless picture here. Hey, don't. I just wanted to remove them and Dala. See? Esiana Yanabo bomb colors from Mapra channel. And I wonder, oh, we marry Gemma. I guess you go no regular no gaho laser. Eh? Gaho na laser papa Pagashage pane. One you won't shit. wefu ekpere kwuo na onwe gị eziokwu sha ha mara gị mma Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ wefu ekpere ụmụ agbara mmị aga ọnụ Dereba esi je ku awe were iti unu sugamne osam nom n'ime AC anwa acha meji AC enye no nwe maka lenu yisa hụ ma yara ege mma ikpokwu ụwa alebu mụrụ m kwubuje kwa gị ala osumenyi nwe m ne kwubuo kwa gị ikpokwu ụwa so how ma see your head you don't like better thing so Dela on the 23rd amarakwa another thing I akọ anya ma be ha ga-akọ 23rd ebe nna enye na unu date eje release gị sorry itiri akwụkwọ for release ebe itiri akwụkwọ for release asị gị bịa no on the 23rd 23rd amakwa ihe ọzọ a ga-ekwu watago udala dala 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 udala dala 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 Udele, my dear, I always like listening to you. Okay, my darling. Oh, you like your get hit problem because you got one BP. Udele is not broken. Oh, Udele ain't broken. Bia, when you demand about Chimeze, come on, put up the book or what I said. I know you're watching your goddess. And I watch Chicken Kelen. I watch Chiggy. I know and I'm gonna get away. You're talking to me, sit in the car. And the expensive one for that matter. Ejikulamoto Larry less than 100,000, they push around $100,000, they push around Chineka Bogo, Kawume Brigi. Ejikula in the car. When you're talking to me, I want big name. I could be here on a vacation now. Oh Mota. Jiwaga but then Jiwaga Madigoreti. Maybe young on the big man and Apple to come dear me, Woga Kataba Chineka Boko. I could be a vacation or the last year after all this stress business. I bet I bring up Kuya Chineka Bogo Kionyara Bishop Ozubra ma pay a moto ya bari. So you're entitled to drive 3 good months here. The baruru na koyeri. Or the mother chiba around and go and go and gare mosquito na babuya. Mundala. Chineke no get ya. Now we need to Udele is in a good spirit. Yeah, that's true. Udele is in a good spirit. Udele is not broken. Udele, you are done. I'm gonna get Imana, the happiest person on earth is me. Because everything you wish me is what is befalling on you. Look, I don't even know when you come. No, Facebook, but at a time it will go off. I mean, before. I'm facing it. It's okay. It's okay. It will normalize. I'm the problem. It will. No, I'm not. I'm not going on Facebook. So I'm not in a haste. So any dollar had to be fine. I'm good. I know the problem. But it will normalize. I know it doesn't circulate to my life program. And it's a problem, but it's gonna be fixed. It's normal. I mean, people are not that mom when I'm live, but you have to be constantly check on social media. A lot of people don't get notification, but it's so bad at all. It will come back to normal. Just a matter of time. Over 35 minutes, I didn't even. Yeah, I know. The problem is obvious. Not anything. We came about to small music because. No, but I'm not going to connect your music in a motor. Not dim na PR. Not the guy. Oh, go na PR and everything. I'm call up and ya PR. Ya call up. Ya PR. Ya. Mommy and mama computer like that guy. Go school wizard and all around. Then when the Chineke can you have everything that goes in go school number one of them. And we hate this guy. Body. Chineke goes for him. And we Chineke goes for him. Gochku is blessing all round. With your passion, Mama be Chineke Kerege Shokum. He's just, he's so good. No, love about 87 lawyer. I'm telling you, when the Chineke na goes special, it's true. Just as every time I'm going to pages to say, okay, yeah, it's happening. I'm a mama, I know the problem I have. It's okay. It will be resolved. I mean, then okay, you know the thing with man in there. You don't know me. I will mean G. That will mean Ginoka. It's like Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo don't go survive. I will be like an Igbo person. Ndi Igbo don't go survive in Nigeria. I will be like an Igbo person, not even Nigeria. You can't. What did he get me to shut me down? Other in a the money in a make a bouquet. Ebunu Punkana self is a banaga no return. I want somebody. I want that's suppressing Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo is still shining everywhere. Now Igbo. Sorry, Nala Nigeria. That is somebody. That's all you did. They come. Imecha one day, mate. Gotta kill them matter thing. Kill them matter thing. When are we gonna eliminate this guy? This woman? Hmm? Kill that shit again. I get one. Yeah. We need to make up another story. Okay, I should send the number. Yeah, I may send there. Share because I may send there. Yeah, Jim time. I will send it. Not what PJ but Rebona to that or mega late self. Now PJ wake me up because I was very tired. I go send them. You want to go? So I'm going to go. So Dela, please don't think about coming out soon, honey. You got that fufu. Afufu de reggae ke yata. It felt like the reggae cake. I'm not my brought to music. Oh, I don't know what is going on. No, I didn't need to come and fix this thing. Data protection notice. Apple CarPlay. Data protection. Nah. Nothing more. I'm not going to play here. But you have here music play me. Eh? Oh, no, I'm not here with a lot of gadgets. But I'm dream is no other cars. Nanda and make construction. Construction is video yala. Coming out oje make the break on apụta achọ onye nga ahụ ọ nọ ọrị ịma chọọ nga ahụ go fitiri ya ọ gị kpọpụta wide animal na ga nọ n'ime zoo ga nọ n'ime ọhịa ma ime zoo ga kpọpụta ebe tinye ebe ndị mmadụ nọ nga ahụ ọ nọ nga fitiri ya ịnọkọta nnọọ ga kpọpụta a wide animal who's supposed to be in a wide place ịghọtago ga-abịachi ya nọrọ na ebe ndị isi dị mma ị chọrọ ka ọ tagbuo ndị mmadụ. That is why you make places for each individuals. You want a place for ndanga, a place for ndara, a place for anyone when go pilongo. So go on nga kwere any the that's where you belong. What is again when the bar where it's never ndaya hungoba. Go kwere. Let him stay there. That's where he belong. A signature. It's in our don't know. It's not connecting at all. I don't know. I'm not happy here. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Ikpama there. When on not pay Megan. Now when you're so like gasket the and somewhere. I got my somebody but I got my check the langa. I got my check the langa neck thunder babu give babu one nigga home. Nta la ne put 2 months. ebe ihe kwulara unu ekwula nọrọ ofu ebe Chineke akpọ nna ọkụ nya nwanne anyị ị ga-acha ka anya anyị alọvị nna ndị kana ka nchela ada akọ eri gahụ nwoke a na-abụ onwe ya asụ na ọ na-ekwu okwu efu goro na-asụ na na-abụ onwe ya asụ chialịta ya ụcha ndị nwoke nna ya ga-agba izu ya ụcha nwoke a ga-agba izu ya rụ ndị ebu ahịhịa ike ha ụcha ndị nna m ga-agba izu amịleba no one day ji eri ego ndị mmadụ buru ibu no one day they end up permanent some people no wonder gịnị onye ka eme deal onye nye ya ka ya akọ n'ebe a oh my god asịkwara m unu shi majority of ihe anyị nweziri na well nwere ndị bara uru men alakịrị m ya alakịrị maazị Nnamdị Kanụ onye lakịrị maazị Nnamdị Kanụ karịa m aga m efe ka you are a dumbass bitch you don't think you don't even have a common reasoning to think you don't common reason to think we have belly face. Guy, you want to be a middleman. Not in social media. A question is on you. Come not to here. Rubbish. Let him Omenala stand on your level. Even if they disagree, let them use that your free thinking and think that they should be nurtured with their common sense. Again, and I don't need to look for anybody. Use your brain to get to know what is right and what is wrong. Simple. And I'm Korabageba. That kind of time. Each major church, Gaga Narosh. I went to church today. My Banarosh. I remember Domenala had a number. But when it comes to religion, when it comes to what made me who I am, when it comes to faith, when it comes to what I stand for, we do not discuss it. Because when I get discussed, all that cause trying problem. They do things you don't discuss. Politics and religion. Oh, and I learned it very well because it is a family. Did you hear when I said 1 year potan? That's why education again at school. Try to stay away from these two things. Do you hear when I could say 1 year Ebuka Obi he did not be sweat. He had to tell you when the Muslims like their prophet and Quran. Did you understand that? Anything you love, you have to protect it with your full chest. So why you guys having problem that you are protecting Ebuka Obi? Because that is where we love. That is what we cherish. So we're gonna do whatever it takes to accord him that respect, that honor. You feel that okay? That is how we love him. So actually came about the two things you don't bring in. Like our friends, the one I have the number. How would Omenala respect their own? Respect their my own. Like a preacher will know when I talk about my Jesus, she knows where I stand. I don't believe in this. But that doesn't mean that I would discredit what you're doing. Do your thing, don't bring it to me. I speak my faith. So here, that was that is my identity. I can't just because of one idiot from some place and for standard came. No, life doesn't go that way. Okay? Never from all today. From the time very soon now. I'm gonna pack my precious car. My expensive car. It's not easy now. Come my boss in G-Wagon. They got my boss in G-Wagon. They got my boss in G-Wagon. The boss G-Wagon. G-Wagon the boss. Hey! Boss, look at G-Wagon the day. Whoever one day go give me this guy, let's try. Yeah, I bought some G-Wagon. I swear down. G-Wagon makes sense. Makes sense, baby. It's not your mate, honey. Hey, don't be your mate. Under respect. No, they go, man. The guy, judging. You're gonna use. I'm checking on Nigeria. I'm gonna hear me two good G-Wagon on Nigeria for charging. It's possible. One day you can give me this your G-Wagon. I can try some more. I should go get. Oh, Gagolang put him by your seat. Come to Barakashano. She says she don't like you, but she don't go marry you. I should Igbo people, Igbo. My son. Who got do anything? She want me to buy something. I didn't need one money. One day we chat choice. Those lifestyle. Child. When one feel pass around me, God do that. Yeah, possible. And I believe in culture a lot too. And principles. So. Principles. So don't get it twisted. I don't hate anybody. Just my thing. My thing. Actually, when I gonna so far to so anya na kwata. Yes, week. Anya ga village ga settle lawyer. Ni what go. Ana aso ya. Actually, when game just so na agba mo wo ma. Mara no mo aka na agba de. My majority of our girls. Majority of our girls to end up in here when all options are lost. When it be mezi in the other montuary ba mo gaga bros nto wa no ya every time we bupute osu na montua na niwe bupute ya dina ya mechakwa ebupe ya na coffin what go those are the people with choice me want di mboge anything that comes my way I manage ma gwa mo ba no when we refuse. Guys, on that note, to make a living, I'll see you guys later.